All right. little, a little bit of comedy news to share with you. Comedy with our Indian. And I'll tell you what happened. So our Indians, uh, there were a couple of Indians who got beaten up, who got their tomato, potato, parota, onion, sambar, chutney, chicken tikka, mutton tikka, beef masala, everything beaten up, beaten out, okay, by a Belgium guy, by Gora, okay. And guess what? Guess what? Seven got beaten up by one guy. One. Our seven Indians, our Indians, unity in diversity, hum sab ek hai. They must have seen the movie, which one? That Chhatrapati Shivaji, Chhawa. They must have shouted, Chhawa, hum tera sarvanash karenge, or yeah, Jai Mata Di. Kali Ma and all that, the powers of the Hindu gods were, yeah. They must have seen the movie Chava and thought, just as the hero Chava, one guy, he, hits, 4, 5, 20, 30 guys, and they must have thought, same way we can beat up this guy. But what happened was this guy, he did not see any Hindi movie, so he did not know how the script should go. He only saw MMA, mixed martial arts. Not that Bruce Lee, oh, yeah, not that type. The real punch. And I saw the video. Our Indian one toink. It is, instead of saying like in Hindi picture, it is dishum. Like if you see the olden Hindi picture, I remember I used to always see when I was small. I used to like it very much, and I used to play with my brother, step brother and cousin brother. Okay, we will fight, fight. You know how we used to fight? Yeah, dishum. Dishum means you fall down. So, and the hero is to always, like, Rajnikant, put the cigarette in the mouth, shot. While smoking, he would hit 10, 20 guys. Even today, if you see some of the Indian movies, even May who what? May Hindu who, May Indian who, something, May Hindu. You see their chest and they're walking and they take a Trishul and they take Indian. Jai Ma and Krishna, Shiva, Brahma and power, extreme, dream centurions, and he gets the power, and he gets the power of Shiva, yeah, Bishum, and the 10 guys fly off. If you see South Indian movies, if he sneezes, only the guys fly off. So these poor Indian guys must have thought, now we will show him the Chava power. Chava! इंडिया ये हिंदुस्तान का क्या हिंदुस्तानी का खून है. These Indian movies, our Indian heroes, they get a power when the blood comes in. Anil Kapoor and but here problem is Bollywood, and this guy was Hollywood, and he gave them toink. He gave a toink. Another one toink. 7 guys couldn't touch one guy. 7 guys. Our Indian. That is why they come in groups. They never come alone. Indians come in groups only. So what happened? I will tell you what happened. Belgian MMA battles group of Indians in Pattaya brawl. Okay, so what happened? A viral video showing of a lone European man, one European guy, ek aadmi, fighting a group of Indian men. They came only for bobs and vagine, and here they are simply fighting is not in our blood. We will become fighter and chava only in the Hindi picture and behind the keyboard and mouse. Teri maa ki taraf band ke, I will do this and that to you. They keyboard power. Face to face. I will also admit, Baba, I don't know how to punch. If you ask me to punch my ting, 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 I don't know how to fight. If I see anybody wants to fight, मुझे माफ करो. Sorry, sir, sorry. I will say, that is me. But these are very different type of Indians. So what happened was, he had a confrontation with a group of Indian tourists stemming from a dispute over a car blocking a condominium entrance. Not condom. Okay. So Maxim Arbil, 22-year-old Belgian MMA fighter. By the way, his chest and looks big. Okay. And his Thai wife spoke to reporters on March 19 about a brawl captured on a viral clip. So what happened? It seems midnight on Sunday, March 16th, in front of the condominium condom in Nong Prui Bang Lamong district, Chonburi province. Okay. Arbil's Thai wife explained on that night of the incident, India had parked their car blocking the entrance to the condominium. Indians park anywhere, spit anywhere, shit anywhere, fart anywhere, and susu. We are very open. It's an open toilet in India, so open here also. They must have thought everything is open, so car also open, park anywhere, who cares? Okay. So then what happened is, after waiting for some time, frustration grew, leading to a verbal argument. So they started, hey, you piece of shit, remove your bloody car and all that. And they said, hey, they came, hey, you come here, Ramu, Shamu, Gopu, Papu, hey, Sikandar, and Akshay, Chava, idara, kya be? See, when you have a group, then power comes. Alone when an Indian talks, okay, sir, okay. हाँ sir, जी sir, हाँ. But when you have a gang, अरे माँ का दूध पिया है तो सामनिया, माँ का दूध, you drink mama milk. If anybody tell me that our Indians tell me also, माँ का दूध पिया है तो सामनिया. I tell them, Baba, I drink rainbow powdered milk. I don't drink breast milk. So that day is over. So you're right, माँ का दूध नहीं पिया है. So then they say, तू अगर तेरी बाप का औलाद है, you're the son of your father, इधर. No, sir. I'm not son of my father also. Not son of father, not son of mother, not drink milk, I drink tea. So for me, better to get insulated than to get dish. So here, our Indians, they thought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One गोरा. ब्रिटिश को हमने लात मार दिया इंडिया से. ये क्या है? हमने माँ का दूध पिया है. जय माता दी, काली माँ, शिवाजी, Chhatrapati Shivaji. They shouted in the theater, no? Mard, like Amitabh Bachchan used to say, Mard ko dard nahi hota. Means Mard is gutsy man, ko dard means feel no pain. So, okay. So they started getting into verbal quack. And then it went into dishum territory. Dishum. Okay. Belgian guy was giving them jhapad, rumming their papad. After 5 minutes, 2 more Indians came. Hey, WWE. Chal, hum log bhi. Come, let's fight. They must have... Yeah. I wonder how are Indians... if it was South Indian, lungi utake, I will lift my lungi and show you. They lifted the lungi, but after lungi only it disappears. Because sometimes nothing is inside. Okay. At that time, there was only one security guard. Poor security guard. He must be like, hello, sir, you'll fight. I don't know what to do. Okay. So he was unable to stop, leaving Maxim to fight alone. But they couldn't beat my boyfriend because he's bigger, he has boxing experience, and he loves Muay Thai. So he had the advantage. Muay Thai ki jai ho. Jai ho. Okay. After 20 minutes, police arrived to break up the fight. Rescue workers came to provide assistance. They must have done, Ma, Mummy. They would have cried in front of this. Usne mujhe mara. But when they go back to their family, are they are Indian guys, they will tell, अरे 20 आदमी थे, मैं अकेला था 20 आदमी को मैंने ऐसे मारा and good story they like, ये देख all cuts and all. Okay, so she added the group of Indian men are believed to be living in Thailand. Oh, really? Oh, because they spoke Thai fluently. Arey Baba, if you have lived in Thailand, you should know you don't fight with the Goras, especially big Goras. क्या यार, किधर से क्या करते? While police have already contacted them, Maxim decided not to press charges. Smart move. Why? Because you need peace of mind. You go on with your life. It doesn't help if you take it to court. He doesn't want any problems. He travels back and forth and doesn't want to deal with court appearance repeatedly. Smart move. Although, if it was someone who was staying here for long, there are some people who really drag it on court. And I'll tell you, once it goes to court, it's messed up. So he just asked for an apology and let it go, she explained. So, Bhaiya, our Indians, maybe too much of, the Chhava movie, Chhatrapati Shivaji, too much of that you saw. Too much. Please watch a little less. Dishum. Watch a little less of those movies. Maybe you need to see some love movie. Love. मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. मैं तुम्हारे बिना जी नहीं सकता. Yeah. Just imagine an Indian going to a mixed martial arts. Yeah, that will be good. 7 Indians and 1 guy. Ayyo. Okay. Anyway, even I'll tell you me also before I conclude. I don't like to fight. If anyone says, don't have guts to fight, you're right, Baba. I don't have guts to fight. I don't want to fight. Nothing. Why? I'll tell you why. Even if it is one guy, this is serious talk. Even if it is one guy, if he pulls out a knife, example, or he has a gun, no matter how much muscle you have, no matter your Muay Thai champion, your 6-pack abs, boxing, gun and he shoots. Finish, no? Thankfully, our Indians are not that crazy. That is one thing I'll give them credit for. Our Indians don't know. If it was an American or someone else, I don't know. Maybe they would have taken a gun or a knife. But violence is not the answer. That is where I'll agree with Gandhiji. Violence is not the answer. Remember, maybe you'll outnumber the guy, but if the guy has a knife or a weapon or just one last thing before I conclude. If he hits you, suppose you hit him. Suppose, let's say you're a good fighter and you hit someone here or someplace and he falls down and he dies or he gets internal bleeding or coma. This has happened in Thailand. It has happened in Dubai when I was there. I'm very sure it would have happened in the place where you stay. And this is real, huh? After they get hit, they fall down and they hit their head on the pavement or something, internal bleeding or something, and the person dies. You're in jail for 30, 40 years. So just for a car park or silly thing, you're prepared 40 years in that. Thailand is the worst prisons in the world. The worst. You wouldn't want to go to Thailand jail. In fact, any jail, but Thailand is the most. Oh, don't break the law in Thailand, man. And I'll tell you this. There have been people who even fought for a girl in a bar or a pub when they were talking, just girlfriend possible, just for a girl. And they ended up going to jail. Is it worth it? So please, instead of using all that testosterone and all that, go to the gym. Leave it out there. Go do some exercise. But violence, be careful, because once someone gets permanently hurt or injured, or someone loses their life, it not only destroys them and their family, it'll destroy you. Anyway, I'm glad no one got seriously injured, and all's well that ends well. All is well. All is well. Three Idiot. That movie. Nice movie. Anyway, good, bad, ugly. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. This is me signing off. Chalo, yalla, bye.